Old School Balisong here. I messaged the maker of this knife to get the right pronunciation of his name. Now I cannot roll my R's. He pronounces it, or it is pronounced correctly. The W is pronounced as a V, so Vandir, but with a rolling of the R. So Vandir. I'm still not pronouncing it right because I don't have the right inflection in the Spanish language. But Vandir Paim is the maker of this beautiful Balisong, which I'm going to attempt to give her a dipsy-do flipperoo. This thing is, I really, really like it. Balanced and clean. Hardy. Ooh, that was not a good one. Most likely, out of 5-minute video, I will edit this down to probably about 30 seconds worth of decent flipping, the way things have been going lately, flipping wise for me. Nice thing about flipping Balisongs is even if you're doing really shitty at it, it's fun. I don't know what that was.